Why is it every time I sit down here, I start singing that stupid song? Seriously. Every single time. Okay. But we are ready to rock and roll, people. I feel like that is the only important thing right now, is that we are ready. We are ready to do this thing. We're ready for the day. And we're ready for the week. I don't know why I sung day. That was weird. Okay. Got a bunch of things to mark out. That's also very, very important. Okay, resetting there. Resetting there, sorting this out. Quick sticks. So I was nearly late. I was making coffee. Dolly.
Good morning.
How you doing? How's it going? Is there a bad delay or are we good? How was your weekends, Holly? Or is it Holly? Which one? How are we feeling today? Solly or Holly? Okay, I see that after I left, not much actually happened. I think that the PM session didn't look terrible. The PM session was okay. So that's something. Okay. Let's do this. Happy Monday, some guy. How was everyone's weekend? What did you guys do? Was it productive or was it meh? I understand both, so, you know. Oh damn, did not come and take that out. That's interesting. Okay, let's do this thing. Let's see, do we have a new weekly opening gap? We do. It's not huge, but it's there. It's one of the smallest little new weekly opening gaps we've had in a while. Okay, I need you to start functioning. There we go. Friend was here the other day and they're like, why do you use control and shift so much? And I was like, how did you know? And I realized that my poor control and shift button are now starting to look a little sad. Ugh. Okay. New weekly opening gap done and dusted. Let's mark out these pivot points. Oh, don't you dare Wi-Fi. Let's do this. What's up, Adam? How you doing? Okay, wait. Definitely solid. Awesome. So we can make a bit of upload to YouTube. Just start seeing friends other than that. Happy money making Monday. Took a Monday morning YOLO trade on liquidity sweep without any confirmations and got stopped. Ah. Yeah, this is why we don't YOLO, hey? Adam, you're good? That is amazing. Oh, give me a second. Daniel, how was my weekend? Well, I mean, my weekend was good, but long. Like I said, my parents are here from Uruguay, so we went and did some awesome things, which was, I mean, it was loads of fun. Went and explored a little bit, nearly got lost. My poor little car had to do some like 4x4ing, which was a little bit terrifying, but we made it. Wow, there's a lot of sell-side liquidity here. Damn, okay, there's a lot of sell-side liquidity over here. This is a New York low. So I just need to mark all these things out here. Asia low, that's also equal lows. Again, sell-side liquidity, guys. Okay. And Asia high is on the bob level. I have not looked at anything yet, so we're gonna go through this thing together. We're all in this together. Blended, da, 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 da. I don't know how it goes again. Last thing I have to do, I completely forgot what else I had to do. Last thing, midnight. Midnight magnet. Let's do this thing like a chicken wing. Oh, midnight! There you are. I found you. right over here. Nope, yep. I will respond to y'all now. This feels slow and a little bit glitchy, which I hate it when it does that. Okay, that's there, that's there, that's there. Awesome, top to bottom analysis. Let's go. Hey, Boom, what's up? How we doing? And Debbie. I was at June channel. I haven't done any. I guess everyone's in vertical stream. Yeah, Adam, everyone is for some reason. Yep. Everyone appears to be in the vertical stream today. Sorry, Adam, are you there all by yourself? Shame, guys. Poor Adam is chinchilling in the horizontal all by his lonesome. And you are all here chinchilling. Sorry, Adam. We have Jay with us today. What up, Jay? How you doing? Dropping the fruit bowl. I got this one to myself. Oh, wait, are you happy or sad about that? I don't know if you're happy or sad about that. He's gonna need to make it bad now. Okay, let's do daily. All-time highs. You know the rules with all-time highs. Trend is friend until it's not. That's all we can do right now. Trend is friend until it's not. Okay. That's all-time highs daily. Let's check the 4 hour. Okay. A little bit of a volume imbalance over here. Bullish fair value gap. A little bit of a shelf. Not the best one, but a little bit of a shelf. Right at VWAP, so it could tap into VWAP and we're gonna get and potentially get a continuation to the buy side. Okay, 1 hour. Sure. Sorry, on the 1 hour, I'm just looking at all of this sell side liquidity. Basically have these equal lows right here. This is a really, is this the spot? Yeah, that is the spot. This point here is very good. Okay then. That one's marked out, that one's marked out, that one's marked out. The only one not marked out that I'll mark out quickly is this one over here. I'll take across to around 10. That one's been marked, that one's been taken. Okay. These all-time highs are scary. Like, seriously. Anyways, let's check the 15-minute. All of this. Okay, 15 minutes going sideways, 5 minute. Probably same Z's. 5 minute, we do have this bullish fair value gap, that's something. Not a lot, but it's something. Okay, 1 minute, let's do this. Montemira, what's up? How you doing? Next week, we can repeat this week. Trend day. Guys, trend is friend until it's not. I actually just can't believe we're at 30. Not just 30, at 3,500. Like, when did we get here? Feels like the other day we were stuck at 28. Damn, it really has just been climbing. Okay. Done, done, and done. Is this now 3 a.m. on the dot. Okay. We are now good to go. Are you guys ready?
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Woo. Let's get it started in 3 a.m. on the dot. There's the 3 a.m. open. Let's see what we get. Asia high is just above. Everything else is down below. Like I said, potentially back into VWAP and then rejection off of there. Or we're going to keep slowly trending up. Let's wait for some confirmations before we hop in on this, because right now this looks a bit sideways. Let's see if London gives us something good. Same trying to pass email. Okay. 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 Now I can focus. How was everyone's weekend? How was everyone's day? Boom, you're trying to pass eval some guy. That sounds awesome, especially for the dog. We have a chilled weekend too, mainly going over last week's trades. Stu, hi. Yeah, guys, like I said, my weekend was busy. It's not over yet. Like I said, tomorrow after New York session, I'm gonna have to go for a 2-hour drive in the dark. Then catch a flight on Wednesday morning, so that's cool. Solly here. Solly was here. Where's Solly at? Solly! Your favorite person is here. It was when stream started. Yeah, I don't know where Solly went. He was here. He was the first one to say what's up. Some guy, how was the session this morning? Sorry I didn't hop on. How was it checking out Biddy? What's Biddy looking like? You are my Bitcoin guy. I love it. Anyways, like I was saying, just a reminder, I will not be here Wednesday for the London Open, or Thursday me, which is probably Wednesday evening for a lot of you, right? Right. Or midnight, so it doesn't matter. I have 1 on Top Step and 4 with Lucid. Good grief. I am upset that we don't get Lucid in South Africa. I do think that we all need to go, like, get together as a community and sign a little please. You're like, please, Lucid, please. Hey Dom, what's up? How you doing? Yeah, look, he might blow them. Why? Boom, why? Dom, you're looking for a long above the bob level, just want a full port to pass. Oh, there we go. Oh, that kind of makes sense. That is what some people do, right? To me is midnight. There we go. Is it gonna give us good things? Yeah, that's a little bit risky. I was contemplating. I was like, I could. A little bit risky, yes, but I could still do it. Oh well. Hey, Translate, what's up? How you doing? You're in a long. That is awesome. Locally looking for swing fails the high of the range. We've been the last 4 days. High time frame looking for either continue down from here, but slower high for lower low. You have in a very small position short with like 6 points. Maltimira, is that what you did? You opened a very small position short for like 6 points. We'll sweep the high, then continue lower. Okay. 1 more green candle and you're out. No reason to be overly bullish until 78k is broken. Dom, how's my weekend? My weekend was chilled. It was good.
Nice.
There we go. Nice. I cannot complain. What's up, David? How you doing? That's a typical David greeting. I was about to be like, the nice is not so typical of you. Maybe you calm down. Yep. Woof. Are you good? Woof. Okay. Okay. There we go. So, boom, are you going to stream in my place on Wednesday and Thursday morning? Is that the plan? You're gonna be streaming in my place? That sounds weird.
That's what she said.
Love it when TP hits the first 10 minutes of your trade. You missed it. I almost got my leg bitten by a shark after I sent you the photo. Oh my gosh. Yo, so I've got, as I said it, I went, oh no, that was not right. That was not what I meant at all. Why are we barcoding? Oh, do you know what barcoding means? It means one thing and one thing only. Coin toss time! Yeah. I have to pick a new coin. Let's do this one. A random one. But we're doing it. Oh my goodness. Guys. I've loved having my parents here. But gosh darn. Yeah, it says bye. Let's make the stop loss what down here. Midpoint of the bob level. Oh, okay then. Okay then. Let's see. But we're in this thing. Well, we're in this thing. The coin agreed with you guys for the buys. Again, this is just paper trading. It kind of gets rid of the I need to take a trade feeling. It helps. It works for me. So we do it. Let's see if it actually works out now. It did take out that little bit of a high, and now we're getting ding 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 ding. Okay. Oh, to have some good coffee in the morning is just the way to do it. What was I saying? I feel like I was in the middle of a sentence and then I lost focus. I know that's like my thing. I am aware. I apologize about that, guys. But I mean, would I be Maya without the ADHD and not finishing sentences and just being overall odd? Hey Mark, what's up? Going to be a good week. I love it. I love the positivity. We've got this. It's gonna be great. I actually had coffee. Whoa. Oh. You actually had coffee this morning? Are you okay? How do you feel? Do you feel weird? Do you feel good? Bad? Tell me how you're feeling. Demonte, how do I like my coffee? It kind of depends. I'm not fussy. I know that's weird. One of my favorite is a chai latte though. Just saying, chai latte is awesome. But I can have it black. You know, no milk. I can have cappuccinos. I'm not a particularly fussy person. Is that weird? I don't know if that's weird. I know some people like their coffee a very specific way and they will refuse, like, they almost have to make it or else it's not made properly type of thing. I'm not that person. Locked in. Nice. My focus is over 9,000. Was that a Dragon Ball Z quote? I has a good week. When she 140 exactly. David, green is green. I don't understand the problem. 565 longs. Probably. You're thinking 565 for a long. Okay. Tap into this little bit of support and then go up. Let's see. I'm just doing what the coin said. That's it. Are you a matcha? Matcha? No, not really. I'm low-key proud that I know that. Being a nerd is fun. Is it even a nerd? Who knows? Pointers, awesome, love it. Friends, but I've never watched it. That's awesome. To be fair, I haven't finished it. Yeah. I haven't finished it. I need to find a new anime to watch. Oh well, it's fine. I've been binge watching random series. It's now my new thing. I'm now binge watching Bones. I just see memes. I'm the reason why I get the reference. Buy after it breaks and retest that level. Well, Samuel, Oh, after it breaks, so I might potentially get stopped out. Is that kind of what I'm hearing? Let's see. I can see already this one probably would have been break even depending on if I had moved stop loss. Oh dear. Not a good start for little old coin. Where's 565? 565. Oh, boom, it missed 565. There's a decent wick there. I think I watched the first season of Bones way back when. Is it the one with Angel from... Is it? Is it bad that I haven't watched Buffy? I feel like that's bad. I feel like maybe I need to watch that. Yeah, you know, if you enjoy like crime. No, is it? If you enjoy crime. That's not what I meant. If you enjoy shows where, you know, it's figuring out who the murderer is, who the murder is. Oh my gosh, this is not a good start to a Monday, guys. It's a new, the 1st of June. Hey guys, it's the new month. Let's get it going. Let's get it started and let's get it started in here. Didn't even clock that it's the new month. It means that I have 1 month to go until I move back to Joburg. I have done no packing. Hey-o! It's gonna be fun. Who done it? Cold cases that nobody else can solve, if I remember. Kinda. It's not even the cold cases, like the fresh murder. Anyways, English lost already. Yeah, it's bad. Ways, David. I'm enjoying this coin toss trading strategy. Also, zooming out of this looks like garbage. I can't trade this. I know some people can trade this. Good for you. Well done. Proud of you. Interesting. This would be that channel Louis talks about, which means if it breaks above, longs are definitely in play. Let's see if that works out like that. Louis been going on about this, is it the trend regression tool? Yeah. I don't know where to draw it from, so I'll draw it from here. Let's see how it reacts. This is on the 5-minute chart. But looking at this, it should want to break above. Going off of this. I don't normally use this. I'm kind of curious. Oh, wait a second. Sorry, I'm on paper trading. I can mess around a bit. I forgot. TP can be up there. Stop loss shouldn't be too far because it should not break down here if it's using this trend. Sorry, I might as well play around a little bit on paper trading and figure some things out, right? Theoretically, this should be higher up, right? Learning, figuring it out, slowly but surely. I can stream Thursday in New York. Bitcoin is literally at the same price it was. I left the charts on Thursday last week. Some guy is just not a lot. I'm sure it will soon. Where's a red, visor blue? I'm seeing you for the 100th time, but I still won't stop falling for you, Rashad. That was terrible. Oh, bro, that did not work at all. Whoops. That did not work. Wow. Nope. Okay. Can't say I don't try new things. Constantly learning, constantly trying new things. That flopped. Okay, back to the 1 minute. Ew, we have broken the low though. Let's see if that means we're gonna get a bit of a continuation. I mean, Midnight Magnet is indeed right there. Okie dokie. Not loving that. Took out external. Let's see, now took out internal. Are we doing sad price action? Are we doing external, internal, external, internal? Sorry, I'm going because of the fact that this is... Oh, no, okay, down we go. Sorry, just quickly change to my funded into Midnight Magnet. Good morning, everybody. What's up, Lucky? How are we doing? Deviated up and down, but we've basically done nothing for 4 days. Great structure can happen. There's that for a user channel. Sam, you're more of a short bias. Am I hit by one con? What am I funded? So I'm gonna have to look at today to compare. I'm not looking at today, at least it moved a reasonable amount. This thing is now going down. It's going down. I'm yelling timber. Like I said, I was keen on the... Was it the 1 hour? The 1 hour, but coming back into the fair value... Nope, that's not right. Back into... VWAP. To be fair, there was a fair value gap there as well. Was it the 1 hour or the 4 hour? Anyways, there's a fair value gap. There's a shelf. And there do be the VWAP at a similar point which means if it retests down, which means it was basically down to this bob level. Once it taps into here, a jump up would be actually quite good to see. Let's see if that does happen though. Oh, lucky. That is amazing. How was your weekend? Anything cool happen? Any shenanigans go on? Brother bear, how was only 20 minutes gone by? Because I don't even know. Some guy actually forgot to ask, how was the work this weekend for you? So, ironically, this setup is a B setup. How does it look on the 5-minute? Yeah. It's not amazing. Maybe just in patient minimum waiting 4 damn days. I'm not having 5 days off and then having going for 2 days and have another 2 days off. It was kind of hard to get in the group. Some guy, that is valid. And yeah, I would feel exactly the same way. A little bit, I mean, like this week's gonna be a bit weird for me as well, because obviously streaming today and tomorrow, not here Wednesday. It's like a little bit of a, it's just been so on and off this last little bit, and then it's gonna be like so consistent, and then I'm gonna be up in Joburg. Lucky, nah, nothing much. Next weekend I will be busy. I'm painting my grandmother's house as well as her roof. Nice, lucky. So you're gonna be a put to work. How many payouts have I taken so far? None yet. Sorry, I'm not cool enough yet. Maybe one day when I'm big. Oh, what's up, dude? How did you end? You break your personal bed? Putting myself in there Friday morning. The sun was beaming. I was spent every night that week on the beach. 'Twas struggles. Hey! Kotsuma, how you doing? Often I'm in live training. Oh, you know what? I'm good. I can never, ever complain. Like I said, I am a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, I'm exhausted. I'm not a people person, so having to have other people, even if they are your parents, in your space for such a long time is a little draining. Love them to bits and pieces, but gosh, if you're not used to sharing your space, it's rough. Which is why coffee life. Coffee do be life. But it's okay. Okay, I'm just watching this week. We're getting the movement, just nothing for me to take yet. Well, nothing valid that I want to take. Maybe that's... Laura, what's up? How are you? How's the music? How's the singing? How's the everything going? Is it going absolutely amazing? Here we go. Let's see what it does when it taps into VWAP / this next bob level. Are we headed for the sell side liquidity? Like I said, there is a lot. There's the Asia low. This is the new weekly opening gap. Below that is so much. Sell side, sell side, sell side. That's a midnight magnet. Never mind. That one doesn't matter. Okay. This Asia low is also relatively equal lows, by the way. Do you remember that? Like I said, there was the midnight magnet. Let's see what we get. Let's see if we get a decent opening. Let's see if we can get a trade in on this. But my trading is doing okay, continue doing it. I'm trying to let that be known. Laura, that's awesome though. Yeah, you know, I know it's difficult to not be greedy, but consistency is key. I absolutely smashed, but there's always a record we need too. Everyone who doubted me now. Teaching Jay this month to trade. Did Jay say hi? So I said hi to Jay. I specifically said hi to Jay. Hope you're doing well, Jay.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Multi-mirror, so you're staying in shorts the whole day? Okay, so multi-mirror is saying shorts the whole day. That is multi-mirror's position. Okay, let's see. Try to scalp long on Bitcoin now. Laura, how am I? I am good. I'm exhausted, but I'm good. We carry on, right? We carry on. Also, I'm a little bit shook at the fact that it's June already. What happened to this year? Where did this year go? It feels like yesterday we were celebrating Christmas. I'm scared, but I'm feeling spicy. Okay, I love it. Yeah, shorts sound like the plan. They probably dumped this thing in New York session, okay? You don't think this could be manipulation? Adam and Multimirror, just out of curiosity, you don't think potentially this is manipulation? We had some accumulation going on, potential manipulation, and then distribution back up to the buy side. Says hello everyone. You will just listen, I doubt your message. You can be a Grinch sometimes. Wow. Yes. It's been a weird... That is... Yes. Yes, it has. Hey, Stefan, what's up? How are you doing? Okay, well, tapped into the Bob level, tapped into VWAP. Let's see. Let's see what it does now. Oh. Has not tapped into VWAP on ES yet though. But around here was the level that I was keen on seeing a bit of a rejection to the buy side again, especially on the higher time frames. Maybe it goes further down, or maybe I'm just completely wrong. Not always the best at judging that. Yeah, no one can yell again. Like all their recording records have to be broken as well. Hey Jason, what's up? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, MNQ to be exact. How you doing, Jason? Volume is increasing slowly but surely. But yes, I mean that was quite a big one. It just didn't go very far. Like, look at the volume on this candle, but it's not... Yeah, not great, which shows that there is definitely some fights going on. But twixt the buyers and sellers, it's just who's gonna win now. The sellers look like they're pushing. You're looking at these wicks, it looks like the sellers are pushing up. Okay. Like I said, fights. What's up, Mario G-Man? How are you? Nasdaq. Quack, quack. Let's do this. Okay, increase in volume now. I'm gonna go check out the 5 minutes soon. Up and down more to take below. 7, you think it's headed for all the sell side liquidity? I said this when we started, that there is a lot of sell side liquidity. However, and I cannot stress this enough, at all-time highs, trend is friend until it's not. And this thing has been trending, and every time I think that the bear run is in play, it just goes, ah, nope, and continues back up to the bull side. Every single time I think, here we go. The bear run has started. It just continues going up, up and away. Which is absolutely insanity. Jealousy. Do, 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 do. Okay, let's go to paper again quickly. Sorry, because I'm getting a little bit of FOMO. The coin said sell. To be fair, this coin has been doing me dirty today. So, do we trust this coin? Meh. The coin hath been doing me dirty. Okay, I'm doing a coin flip, but let me check out the 5 minute. Not bad. No more trades for me unless my alerts go off. Recently, that's how I should have been trading from the word go this morning. Like I always aim to do better, but it'll be a difficult one to beat. I don't want to put pressure back on trading like that, if that makes sense. Debbie, that does actually make sense. Shouldn't always... How do I put this? If you have a good thing going, why ruin it? Like, you can never stop improving yourself. Don't mistake me here. You can never stop improving. But... second holiday, both times risky scalp trades in place that we weren't planning for. Yeah, this morning, this is why we shouldn't do. Alright, from the plan. Sometimes, why not do like paper trading for those trades? Out of curiosity, like, did you take them just because you had a little bit of an itch and you wanted to take a trade? Just curious, because that's recently what I've now done. When I have that little bit of an itch and I just want to take a trade, I just hop onto the paper trade and I take it, and then I remind myself, right, that's why I don't just do that on my funded account, because you saw when I did that, it like instantly didn't work out. Like that's very much, I'm recently a little bit of that opinion. If you're getting a little bit of that FOMO, that fear of missing out, and you want to get in, but you know it goes against your model of trading, why not just paper trade it? I know then it sucks if it works out how you thought it would, but nothing gained, nothing lost. You kind of got rid of that itch. Just not being disciplined enough to wait for the key levels. Well, that's fair. That is also fair. Discipline is key. 4, 3, 2, 1. So hear me out. Again, this could be quite greedy. This is me forward testing the Bob's Bob levels. it breaks here, we're good to go. I think the only time you should put pressure on it is when you're close to breaking it, but the method then. Haven't taken a trade since Wednesday, being an eager beaver, got it out my system. I max 3 L's in a day. Taken 2, so I got no choice but to be super picky with any other trade I take. There we go. See, there's always context in the markets. I see this as the following angle. Someone woke up and need to move the asset. Small initial balance means that might push the price later. Okay, Multimirror, that's interesting. I hear what you're saying.
Hello.
Can I help you, sir? To be fair, if I'm gonna be that guy, I might as well be that guy.
Hello, sweet angel. People want to say hi to you.
There is no stop loss. Yeah, if you're here to copy trade, number one, I wouldn't, because, well, this is a paper trade for a reason. Just saying. Hello.
Do you see a little snooter? There's a little snooter. Hello. Hello. Everyone says hi to you. Good boy.
The main man is here. Lucky to be fair, it was Wednesday. I realized this was my game. So much I didn't need to trade Friday at all, but I did. Debbie's sitting here bragging right now. Just saying. Just kidding, Deb. You brag away. You deserve it. Someone just wants buy or sell. There are no manipulation. People just want to sell or buy assets. Mohammed, why? The answer is because you want to copy trade. Again, I cannot stress this enough. Don't do that. Just don't do that. Like, I'd only be keen on taking that once it breaks that high. Let's see. Retested this bob level a few times. If I had done that, would have been in, that probably would have been a break-even trade there. Okay. Let's see what this does. I put my TP at Asia low. Here we go. If it does not allow copy trading, if it gets flagged up, you get banned. Ta-da. Okay, Coin, you are redeeming yourself here, bud. Okay, now we've really started going down. I'm actually gonna move my stop loss there. The problem is where the stop loss is for this one. Right at VWAP. Where the stop loss is here is not great. Actually, if I was not daily, the course, and I need to sort of PB before I can break it. Stefan, you say get ready for a quick up. To be fair, I'm actually gonna move this to break even now. What a pity. Moving that out the way. Just like that, it became a B setup because it ran away too far. Oh well, let's see if / when it breaks here how it looks. Potentially we can get a setup there. This one is set for Asia low. I'm gonna move that to here. Funsies. Okay, let's now go to our funded account because it looks like we could potentially get a decent setup coming. Potentially being the keyword. Let's see if it comes back up. If we get a little bit of an up and down, we could get a nice retracement. What's up, Wade? How are you? Long time no see. How's teaching all the music and things? How goes it? How goes it? Are you doing amazing? Right, I thought I was in America here for 5 minutes. Oh. What were you in? Hey, Clarence. It's bearish. Look for imbalance on the 1 hour chart. Oh, there's lots of imbalance, Clarence, on the 1 hour chart. I've also already placed all the liquidity or the sell side that has presented itself on the 1 hour chart. If it comes all the way down here, that would be quite intense. This is all the sell side liquidity. Here's the new weekly opening gap. Obviously, here's Asia low. This is low-key what I want to see. It's pretty about where the stop loss is here, but shoot. Don't like where the stop loss is on this one. If we get a decent up, break back down, I can maybe get a little sell further. Okay, I made money. I'm going on a bit of break now, fortunately. Ah, you know, wait, the charts, they do what they always do. They're a bit of a pain in the butt, but they're great. And we love them. Let's see, this is a bit more push coming now. Oh, this might take me out on the paper trade. Paper trade was around here, hey? Or break even. Okay, don't push on yourself to perform. It's not much easier to just wait. If I miss setup, then just wait for the next one. It's not further because the more price for a while and discount, it means we are bearish for the session. I'm so cautious about the sells because of the fact that we are at all-time highs and manipulation do be a very real thing. Okay, let's see how it reacts here. Let's see what we get. We start to get something here. This could be my A+. Ugh. Except for what I'm seeing on ES. ES is not great. I've learned the hard way. That's not on the cards. Okay, 3:45. We are 15 minutes away from 4. Which means we could also see some spicy stuff happening in 15 minutes. As one does at 4. not yet. Like I said, would actually be better if it went and tapped into VWAP RNES first before continuation back down. Is it gonna do that though? Didn't US strike run over the weekend, or is that news not true? I literally have no idea. Does anyone know? Did US strike Iran over the weekend? They're still fighting. I thought they were working on a peace agreement. Yeah, lucky. Ugh, they always say that they are. And then it just never happens. Which is really frustrating. I mean, they've basically been saying that, haven't they? Need sleep, New York open. Why me? Up 24 hours now. How's the winning? What's up, Fish Doctor? Why have you been awake for 24 hours? Guitar guy, good morning. How goes it? How are you? Are you absolutely amazing? Okay, as crazy as it sounds, I'm honestly trading a lot less now and making so much more now. It's actually insane. Guitar guy, specifically for you.
Hi! Hi! Good morning!
How goes? How goes? Watching this Mondays are always entertaining. Because you just are never 100% sure. But we have fun. Be creative. By actual. Like they have to do a boxing match or something like that, Lucky. 5 times by now. I want peace. Nice, dude. Fish Doctor, I love it. Oh, that is amazing. I finally passed Portuguese Evil and got my fresh funded account after blowing many evils. Oh, hey, guitar guy. That deserves a whoop whoop because that is amazing. Well done. That is awesome. How do you feel? I remember that feeling. Woo, it was good. Felt really, really good. A much better way of doing it, I reckon. Guitar guy, like I said, that is awesome. A much better way of doing it, I reckon. Oh, imagine them in just like a boxing fight. Done. Although I reckon it's probably pretty hard, man. Could ruin most World War leaders in a 1 versus 1. I mean, some guy, you have a point. Feeling like I'm on top of the world. When did you pass it, guitar guy? Like how recent was it? Oh, some guy, what else do you have planned for the rest of the day? Got me crazy. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, I feel like I missed something. Guitar Friday the 20... Friday. Oh, English. Ruined it. You could have I'm not gonna take off out for a quick walk now. Looks like it's gonna rain soon. It's so good. Anyway, let me take off. Cheers, some guys. See you soon. So we'll put on doing holes and get pretty sure. What's up, Sally? How are you? Like, just being constructed for. Sorry, just shaking my head at people. That's not there we go. There's a strong argument. I'm not sure reach. See, compared to imposter. I think you guys are good. Lucky has a, you know. Lucky. When you're right, you're right. Seriously, when you're right, you're right. Ooh, okay, I am still waiting for it to tap into VWAP. It's going on ES. We are stuck in this bob level now. Seriously? Come on. Give me my setup today. Let's do this. Let's do this thing. Like I need to just hop back onto the paper. Wait for the A+. It hasn't shown its face yet. Still watching ES. Still think it wants to tap into VWAP before it continues down. I've plopped my TP down there at Asia low for the paper trade. Has not hit break even yet, so let's see. Take from. There we go. So guys, what's up? How we doing? I'm just waiting for my A+ to pop up. That would be great. That would be amazing. I would appreciate that. Just saying. Increasing inspiration. Convection body proportion as you were lucky to maybe champ. Debbie, what did you do this weekend? I'm pretty sure you told me. Didn't you say you were just going through your past trades? Okay, tapped into the volume imbalance on ES. About to take out the wickless. Has it? Not yet. Not yet. Let's keep watching. Guitar guy, did you say something? No. Okay. Tapped into VWAP on ES. Now the question is, are we going up or not? I want to see what reaction we get here. This will be the determining factor right now. Is this now going to start going back down, or are we going to go back up? In which case this Bob's Bob one is pretty solid if it breaks there. Let's see what it does here first. I think you have a better chance than us. Who's in a trade right now, guys? The top guy? You're just sitting back and watching the stream right now? Nice. I'm just sitting back and watching this unfold. 4 minutes to go until the new hourly. Sure, guys, I don't know if it's just me. Is it already me? I feel like time is going backwards recently. I know it's not a bad thing. It's not a bad thing. Right? Let time pass by slowly. It's fine. You don't want to rush through life. But good grief, I do feel like time has been going a little bit slowly recently. I don't know if that's just me, if anyone else gets that feeling. In the same breath, I cannot believe it's already June. She got to study when I was in Austin. It was more fun. My interest in accents. Guess it's never gonna get me. T, are you selling? Multimirror says just sell the lows. Why do you think we even have a chance for Kim to? I mean, you never know. South Africans are spicy. Maybe we got something. I don't know what, but maybe. Would we? I actually don't know. Maybe not. No. I mean, no. Can you see all the conflict going on in my brain? I'm like, on the one hand, you know, like I said, South Africans can be a little spicy. Maybe we got some tricks up our sleeves. But, probably not. Good talk. I think I'm getting into a couple M&Q micro trade, but I might wait for the New York session. Like I said, I'm now sitting, waiting, and watching. Shoot. I'm still not convinced this wasn't just manipulation. Again, I am very aware that I could have been very, very wrong, and that this is just going to continue back down. Let's see how it reacts soon. My favorite trip. And oh, that's hilarious. Sabi was my favorite trip back to choose. There are so many beautiful destinations. Oh, thanks, Fish Doctor. Yeah, I must say, South Africa does have the most stunning places. Can I show you guys where I went literally on Saturday? Yeah. Okay, are you guys ready? This is literally what I did on Saturday with my parents. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Yeah. I went to Oribi Gorge. This. Oh, please, will it work? I want a full photo. There we go. Yeah, so I walked across this bridge. I do not know if I actually got any photos. But I did indeed walk across this bridge, the suspension bridge. But yeah, look at this view. How awesome. Don't know who that is. Sorry. There we go. The point is the view. I went to the Oribi Gorge Nature Reserve with my parentals. Don't know where that rock is. Damn, that looks cool. Would have liked a photo like that. Pity. Yeah, it's a whole... Nope. I just want the photo to open up. Then you guys can see the photo. You get the idea. It's beautiful. It's a very awesome gorge. There's waterfalls everywhere. We did also see some like giraffes and things. I did not do the zip line. because I wanted to do the extreme zip line, and my parents were like, yeah. I was like, well, then I'm not doing the boring one. Anyways. Laugh on what you trade, not in a bad way. Mike? Explain? Debbie, I disagree wholeheartedly. I have some friends that I chat from around Cape Town, I believe. Oh, there we go. Cape Town is beautiful. So I've heard. I've never been to Cape Town. As a South African, I know that is diabolical, but I've actually never been to Cape Town. Like I said, I'm very well aware that that's bad. Oh, we did climb down those stairs. Yeah. But yeah, this is where I was at this weekend. Cannot say it's not beautiful. There we go. Yeah, you get the idea. It was awesome. Oh, I see we still stuck. Still stuck here, not doing that much. You have some friends that you chat with? Like online? Chat, I'm assuming. It's not diabolical. I've never been as well. In fact, okay. Not going to Cape Town, I low-key understand. Low-key. Because obviously I haven't gone, but it's because Cape Town do be expensive and it's very far away. I can't believe you've never seen the ocean, Lucky. Why? You Joburg side, right? Are you Joburg side? Why have you never gone to the ocean? Why are we screaming, David? Very nice, reminds me of God's window in the mountains. I'm dropping break, yeah. Fish Doctor, it was awesome. On Twitch when I watch their streams. Oh, there we go. Okay, that makes sense. Guitar Guy. What do they stream though? Trading as well? Or are they playing games? I'm still sorry. We're going back to what Lucky just said. That one got me. That one got me. Wasn't expecting that. But then I do want to ask Lucky. I do want to ask a genuine question. Do you even want to see the beach? Do you think it's maybe like overly hyped up and there's no point? I am shooketh right now at the fact that Lucky, yeah, yes, I am. I've seen it and it's on my folder. I had many opportunities to go to Durban but never took one. Lucky, you jealous I'm a 5-minute walk from the beach. Well, he can't be jealous because he doesn't know what he's missing out on, right? So, oh, here we go. A plus. Is it? That's close. Very nice reaction off of there. 3. It's not bad. I would take it. Tapped into a volume imbalance on ES. Do see that. But for it to come back slightly further would be great. Been waiting for the break. Retest. That. It did not quite take that though. No, it's fine. Leave it alone. Okay, I'm now hands off. Hopefully this wasn't just manipulation, but Let's go for it. What's up, Geordie George? How you doing? The game I used to be a gamer, but I got bored of it and started trading. That's insane. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, we're good. Sorry, I just realized 4. Okay, there was 4. Oh. We'll close low and then took out the low. Okay, well, we're in this. I'll leave it alone. City other news. Geordie Jordster, how's it going? How was your weekend? Anything cool happen? Or was it very much meh? That movie Apex, what a recommendation. Did you like it? I'm so glad. How insane. Of course I want to see the beach. The only thing close to the beach that I've been to was Sun City. Oh, is it bad that I haven't gone to Sun City? I feel like that is low-key bad. Okay, I need to watch here now. It tapped into... Okay, we're good. Okay, don't be greedy. Sorry, I low-key wanted to be greedy here and just take away my TP, but that's being greedy. Don't be greedy. I do think it wants to go further down there. I have moved this to break even, so whatever happens, happens now. Let's see. Okay, go back. Did I miss anything? What's up, some guy? How was it worth leaving? I mean, good. It's always worth leaving if you're going for a walk with your dog, Debbie. Let's just be real. You're taking your little stinker for a walk. I'm just kidding. He didn't hear me. So we're good. Took that. I still want to see it take this low on ES. Is it gonna though? I want to see it take out 609 on ES, but you know what I want does not matter at all. Alpha's the boss. I'm just here to facilitate. Yep. That sounds about right. It's like with Perry. I even asked someone yesterday asking, who's walking who? Because Perry just drags me along. Not like when he doesn't drag me always, but when he gets excited, obviously he'll just run off, and he weighs like 40 kilograms. I weigh like 55 kilograms. I am a whole 15 kilograms heavier than him. He just drags me. Maya, I think that's a criminal. Essentially, it's hella expensive now, but that used to be the family destination, especially on the first day of the new year. Peak enjoyment, true. Am I trading a prop firm? I am. This is my funded account, though, but yes. Yo, I'm feeling like I want to be greedy, but I know I shouldn't be. Don't be greedy, don't be greedy, don't be greedy. This is also a good trade. Maybe a little bit further up in case there. Huh. Like I said though, just don't be greedy. It still hasn't taken out that 609 level on ES. Come on. There we go. Okay. Whoop whoop. Nice little winner to start the week. That was cool. Let's see if it now drops. Like I said, part of me wanted to be greedy, but with this movement, Watch it drop. Yeah. But happiness. Little winner to start a Monday. Was waiting for that one. Okay, my trades. Done. Let's do this. How much did we go up? 927. First time we've been in the 9s since I was close to blowing the damn account, so that's something. Oh wait, you're safe. Damn, I just top ticked that cell. Hey, boom, well done! 92740. Okay, we're getting there, guys. We're getting there, we're getting there, we're getting there. Let's do this. Okay, I'm glad I wasn't greedy. Not good to be greedy. But yes, indeedio, I think we can do some whoop-de-whoop-whoop. Ready? Whoop-whoop in the chart! Ah! Gonna be chuffed with a little bit of a winner chicken dinner to get the day started. Get the week started. Get the month started. Right? So cool Tip shared that trade just made 400 extra. Nice, Mario G, man. That is awesome. Okay, no, it was... Maya, play me in chess. Demonte, why do you want me to play you in chess? When I first got off this phone, was really bad. Usually I know it's not good. Casino and you can trade in the world's casino. Fish Doctor, I love it. Just sell below. This is in keen on FX. Ah, thanks, Geordie George. Sorry, I'm just reading through everything because I wasn't really paying attention. I apologize. Here we go. Time be patient. Now you just need to sell a course on how you saw that opportunity. Fish Doctor, lots and lots of patience. And waiting. And being more patient and waiting. Still, I'm still in the damn trade on the paper, by the way. This is the paper trade. Love. Literally the paper trade. The paper trade, I was like, yeah, screw it, I can be greedy. So I made the paper trade Asia low. If you're asking how I got in on this trade, sweet and simply, I tossed a coin. Coin flip. Still has not gone further down. To 609 on ES. I'm still waiting for that spike. That actually might be the spike down to take out Asia low. Which will be interesting to see if it is. 3463. I'm watching that level. Let's see what happens there. 463. Why? What do you see there, Geordie? Here we go. Ah, there it took out that level on ES that I was waiting for it to take. Hey, Park Swinger, thank you. Is it Chilean essay? Eddie, it's actually not. I'm just a baby. I feel like you guys now know that. When it comes to the coal, I'm such a baby. And I had a shower this morning, which means my hair was wet, which means I'm just colder. More cold. Colder. Both work. Jordy, apparently Wednesday is supposed to be like a little bit rainy and cold in Joburg, and guess who is in Joburg on Wednesday and Thursday morning? I'm gonna die of cold, but it is what it is. Maya, was that winner? Yeah, Debbie, the win was on my funded. It was an A+. So the win was on my funded. I did update the balance. We are now up to 927. We're in the nines, people. Well, not yet. When we're at 49, we'll be in the nines. Don't FOMO, the move already happened. Oh, Multimere, no. This is, I've been in this trade for a while. When did we enter? I entered this trade here at 332. Right, there's stacks of orders at 463, so either getting out of long or keeps going short. Okay, let's see. I've made that little line there. Let's see what it does. Marketing. Great sale. Oh, thanks, Forex. Appreciate it. Well, yeah, you're not gonna just... Yep. So, yay me. Gonna fly in. Freeze, because obviously I have to wear a dress. Because it's a wedding. And it's a damn short sleeve dress. And I have to go and I have to wear a dress because I'm the damn maid of honor. Can't be looking bad up there. Oh well. Job's on the 12th. Oh, that's awesome. When is the 12th? Some suit up. I will do... Yeah, I thought I'll attempt to do a vlog again. I don't know if people enjoyed that because obviously it has nothing to do with trading, but I thought I'll do a little vlog. My parents obviously aren't too keen on being in a video, so I'll do a sneaky one. I'll be like, yo. No, Geordie, no, you can't act. Nah. No, that's far. Well, to be fair, I have to drive back up to Joburg, obviously, when I move. It's so far, I don't want to do it. Like me, I'm complaining because tomorrow night I have to drive, so I went and dropped off my parents at my gran. And then came back, and now Tuesday, so tomorrow night I have to go back there because I'm going to sleep there, pick up my parents, obviously, and then we'll go to the airport very early at like 5 in the morning. On Wednesday to fly into Joburg. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be great. Are you the type that wears boots with a dress? 100%. But I was told I'm not allowed to, so we have to go and buy shoes because I don't even really have a lot of nice shoes because I mostly wear boots. It's a family trip, so you know. Each trip before my birthday. Oh, when's your birthday, Geordie? What to the wedding? Boom. No, they won't be gum boots. If like I wore like heel boots to the wedding. Okay. Oh man. So I mean, I'll put it... This is what I looked like at my cousin's wedding. I didn't even wear a dress to my cousin's wedding, guys. I wore a jumpsuit. Just to give y'all an idea. Yes, I am that guy. If you guys want to see what I look like at my cousin's wedding, I posted it on Discord under my real life. I mean, that's valid. Oh, you meant for the wedding? Oh lord, my bad, I didn't mean it like that. Well, I'm wearing a pretty pink dress. It was a strapless dress, but I may or may not have lost a bit of weight, so it didn't fit. So now we added straps. And do you guys want to see the shoes? They're very elegant and very chilled. They're not like the stilettos, because I cannot stand in heels for a long time. I will die. I'm a hardcore. Oh, cheers, guitar guy. Enjoy. Have a great day. I'm on a black wedding. That's cool. Yeah, Source Lady by definition, I suppose. Ah, yeah, drew inspiration from the Karate Kid. Yeah, lucky. To be fair, it's because I think it was my sister. I can't remember who took the photo. They're like, do that. Show them that you're not wearing a dress. So I was like, okay. So I did. Because ironically, with this jumpsuit, it was quite cool. It kind of looked like I was wearing a dress, because it was like so poofy. Like, yeah, people can't know that you're wearing a dress. Make it look like a jumpsuit. And I was like, okay. Yep, that's False Lady by definition, I suppose as well. Oh, thanks, guitar guy. You are awesome, Source. I can't believe I'm still in this thing, to be fair. We had that dip down, and now it's going slowly. Glad about that little top tick into that cell. That was quite nice. Perfect themed wedding. Dope. I'll be right back. Are you ready? How cute are they? See? Very chilled. Not really heels. And elegant. Again, I don't really... Hello, these are my shoes. What do you think? Do you approve? Nice? Okay, Perry approves. Boom out. Okay. Boom, where are you going? Perry wants to wear them. Perry, do you want to put your feet in these? Bean? You want to wear the shoes? He doesn't look so keen. He looks a bit confused. No, Demonte, it's not today. Don't worry. It's only Wednesday. I'm still here. I'm still here today and tomorrow. Yeah. Whee. Ah. Although cute and classy. Exactly. Exactly. Oh, here we go. I'm curious about this. Again, just because curiosity gets the best of me. Would have sucked. Oh, this wouldn't have tagged me in anyway. Rough. Oh, that... Oh. Yikes, that would have hurt my feelings. Okay, let's see, Geordie George. This is now at the point of interest. Okay. Watching this. I'm not taking this. Oh, I don't know if I actually would have wanted to have taken this. I mean, 1, 2... I think this would have wanted to have tagged a little bit higher up. Well, if it gets there. If it gets there. Clip my heels without being heels. You know it, Deb. What's my favorite color? I don't actually have a favorite color. I know that's a little bit weird. Don't really have one. Your face is sunburned. You feel like a big wabbit. I'm assuming you then went and had some sunshine this weekend. That paper trade is excellent. Thank you. Let's see what happens. I am just kind of now just following it. I guess we can thank the coin for this one. Had a nice winner over there. For 2.07R trade. Not bad, not bad. Nice winner over there. Now we go. Okay, nothing here, nothing here, nothing here. Still watching this. Let's see if this would have worked. I'm watching this level that, whoopsies, that Geordie mentioned here. Still watching it. Oh. Okay. Now I want to see it take out that 607.50 level on ES. Might retrace a little bit higher before it goes back down though. What's up, OTT? How you doing? But I think it's after that. Yo. What happened Friday? What do you mean what happened Friday, Debs? The OTT? Like, with his trade? Or a trade? I feel like I missed something now. Some guy, am I following you on YouTube? I feel like I'm not. Which is bad. Gotta support everyone. I don't want to be greedy. But this trade doesn't look terrible. Let's see what it does at this level. Like I said, this is a bit of a Geordie level over here. I want to see how it reacts. Is it going to start dropping down? Is it me? Let's see. Sorry, I'm not really chatty today, am I? Maybe the coffee just isn't kicking in like I thought it would. Do you want to know why? Actually, I generally drink 1 cup of coffee a day. You guys see me drink my cup of coffee a day. Do y'all know how much coffee my parents drink? As they wake up, they make one, then they make a second one. Maybe they'll make themselves a 3rd cup of coffee in the morning. I'm just there going, what the heck? And they're like, do you want one? Do you want one? Do you want one? I'm like, I don't know. What is happening? Yo, my parentals need to rein it in on the coffee. Hey, that was an awesome trade. How cool. Nearly back to break even just from that little tradie trade there. That was a really nice paper trade. Okay, Asia low has now been taken. Are we headed for new weekly opening gap? Kinda looks like it. Geordie, this is potentially that drop you were waiting for. Mm-hmm. Same. Why don't you guys co-stream? Who? With some guy. He was a rapidly game shooting game. I don't drink coffee at any time of day. My be better, I'm sorry. The crowd is straight up bullying. Honestly, that means a lot. Yeah. How old are the parentals? Oh my gosh, guys, my dad's turning 60 next year. So, turning 59 this year. Wow. Anyways. Hey, what? John? Juan? How are you doing? I can tell them this is the trendy. I was born to the wrong parents. Joe, what's up? Oil fishing cookie size, just watch. Profit taking, looking for small retest to take a shorty short. Okay, Geordie. I mean, it did just take out Asia low, so how big do you think this retest could be? Like that type of retest? Enter around 472. Let's see, I'm not taking it because it's not A+ for me. And it just took out Asia low, which makes me a little... Rather not do that. Been there, done that before. It's dangerous. I do dumb things sometimes. 3416 right there. Oh, I mean, I can actually take this. Just, I'll take it on the paper. Oh, let's do it. Let's take it on the paper. Start getting used to seeing some of these. Why I would not take this on my funded, sweet and simply. Yeah, screw it, just do the normal amount. New. So sweet and simply, it just took out Asia low. So that's why I did not / will not take it on my funded account because of Asia low being taken. I think this could maybe go a little bit higher. Maybe it wants to retest further. But let's see. Old one, come and tag me in. It's still down, Bob's Bob. Betty, can we get a bounce? Happy Monday. Ninja, how was your weekend? Just everyone, I'm off. Mario G-Man, enjoy, have fun. Gambling and gaming, what's up? How long have I been trading? Just over a year now. I say just over. April was basically a year. Yeah, so yeah. 14 months, if you will. So I've been trading for just over a year now. Have passed an eval. I am on a funded account. This right now is paper trading, just before anyone gets super excited. This is a paper trade because I'm curious about something. Like I said, did not take this for one main reason, being that I just took out Asia lows. I did have a win on my funded earlier, so I am up a little bit today. Not tons, but a little bit. How has that year been? Wow, it was insane. So it took me a while to find a strategy I liked. Then when I found the strategy I liked, it took me a while to work out the psychology behind all of it. And then to really like refine it, I guess. Then when I passed my eval, it was a bit of a... It was good, but a pain in the butt for one reason and one reason only. Well, I got the funded, and it's hard to say because psychology, as you know, plays a role. But unfortunately for me, the same time I passed my eval and got my funded was around the same time the whole Iran situation happened. So basically, I then just had such a bad month. March was terrible. I was $20 away from blowing my funded account. So that's why I tend to put smaller Well, for now, the plan is this. I've been putting smaller contract sizes in. Basically de-risked. Risk management is key. I de-risked completely, especially during London. So I completely de-risked and just been doing one good trade at a time until I get back up to 49. When I'm back up to 49, I'll start risking between 50 and 100 again. You know, I'll allow myself to go up to 100 again. And then when I get back up to 50, I will then start trading like normal, which would be around $200 per trade. I've just not been trading that because I've been building up that cushion, if you will. This bird will not stop chirping. Leave it alone. Just saying, I'll leave it alone. No, I need to go, man. Fun fact, vast majority of birds song is territorial. That's basically just saying. That is amazing. Oh, thank you, Gambling and Gaming. How long have you been, hopefully not gambling, but trading for? This is what I do not understand, though. Oh, I run out of breath. I love that. Why does it not run out of breath? I mean, Miguave, you talk a lot. Sorry, apparently I woke up and decided that being sassy was the way to go today.
That's what she said.
Gambling and gaming 6 years. Nice. And how has it gone for you? What do you trade? Are you profitable? Well, I guess what's your idea of profitable? But, you know, are you profitable? Damn much. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh, Big Bravo. Yeah, it's my thing, bird from Maya. It's definitely Monday. It's stuff. Guys, I'm not always sassy. I have a few people that I'm sassy with. I promise. Apparently it's Mikuave's turn. I was very sassy with Boom for a little bit there. Also shouldn't be messing with Mikuave. He's terrifying. He'll mess me up for fun. So I must be careful. I'm not. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Okay, let's see how this works out. Like I said, there's a reason I'm not taking this on the funded. Let's see what it does. How are we looking for time? Okay, no, we still have quite a bit of time. I want to also do this. Let's do this. That's a cool butterfly. It was actually driving me insane. Right, I'm mostly trading for options long term and scalp futures. Up to here and there, yes, man. I'm green for the year. That is awesome. Gambling and gaming. So you scalp futures, so similar here. I haven't done any investing or swing trading. I'm a little bit nervous about that. I know that's a weird thing to be nervous about. Like, why? But the plan is I plan on investing. I just think that there's a lot more research and preparation that needs to go into investing. Like, yeah, you have to be quite hardcore with that, I feel. I could be wrong, but just from what we've, the discussions we've had, it seems like that is the way to do it. Lucky it is. It's gonna be a butterfly of the day already. Babies. less on your mental. Gambling and gaming, I have heard that, but for some reason it scares me more. Yeah. So, anyone that's new, we do a butterfly of the day here. For funsies, because we can. So, butterfly of the day. First of all, how cool is this? I low-key want that to be butterfly of the day, but we're going to do a random generator, so let's do this. Ooh, and it's a snowy copper. I mean, that's pretty cute. A snowy copper butterfly. Okay. Oh wait, actually maybe I shouldn't have. Oh wow, that's a cool photo. Okay, let me go out of images so that we can learn something about it. So this one actually calls it a scarce copper. Okay. Life cycle, a generation appears from mid-July to mid-September. Cool. So it lives preferably on flower-rich, dry and damp meadows in Central Europe in Spain. And okay, so it's from Spain. And is found in the Pyrenees and in the Cantabrian, butchered that, mountains in southern France. Okay, so we got Spain, southern France. Its area of distribution reaches the Arctic Circle. I heard a beep. Okay, we are in this trade. Well, we're in this trade. Let's see, paper trading this one. You guys know why. I did mention why. Because of the fact that it took out Asia low. So I'm expecting this thing to actually retrace a little bit further. Let's see though. Did tag in. It's still giving me retracement vibes. Let's see. There is a reason I only took it as a paper trade. Okay, we're busy learning about this one. This is not the nice website. Where's the nice website? Maybe they don't have it. Nah, there it is. I found it. Although this isn't really, anyway, it doesn't matter. So the family is coppers. So it's a small to medium size. Cool. Wingspan of 44 to 52 millimeters. Butterfly conservation priority extinct. Oh, damn. Okay, so this is an endangered butterfly. Historically, in the British Isles, the large copper could be found in the fens of East and perhaps south of damp areas of southern England before becoming extinct. What? Wait, is this thing actually extinct now, or is it just endangered? What the heck? It's a really pretty butterfly. I have so many questions. Oh, I'm assuming that's the egg. That's the caterpillar. I'm a little bit sad now. Oh well. There's our butterfly of the day. Apparently extinct one. Okay, let's go and watch what happens here on this one. Namaste, what's up? How you doing? I gotta get a payout first. It was the first thing going on my list. But outside, I can sit in my office chair. Look. $52 millimeters is huge. What are you on about? My bad. Yeah, it's gonna be a special one. Yeah, I don't want to remember the rest. Yeah, that's all you could hear, the bird chirping. I don't mind the chirping, it's just this one bird who is ridiculously loud, so who's getting gone first. Can't you like put something up that will scare the bird away? You don't have to do anything. And you can just leave the poor bird alone. Surely there's a way to just scare off the bird. Okay, let's see here. So would still be in a bit of drawdown here. Drawdown. 6. Hey Joe, so watch a workout. It's fine. This is actually paper trading. Sorry, this is on my paper trading account. This is the 1 minute MNQ, so the micro Nasdaq futures. Oh, no, here the buyers are pushing slightly, but clearly there was something. What time is it? No, 4:46, nothing special with regards to time. Weird. Let's see. This was just a paper trade I took. This one here was on my funded account, so this was a real trade. This one I took as paper because I wasn't as keen on it because of the fact that it just took out Asia low down here. Let's see if I was correct to do that or not. What's the problem? What am I gonna stand in the garden waving a scarecrow around like a knob? Yeah, obviously, McWaver, that's how you do it. You know what? I would pay a lot of money to see Maya give a speech at a wedding. That. Someone disappeared from the chat. You know what? Same. It's a good thing I'm not giving a speech. I specifically asked my sister, I was like, are speeches happening? Say no. And she was like, no. I was like, good. Good. Public speaking and speeches are not my thing. I would mess up solidly, and then I might accidentally swear in front of people and be a problem. It is my thing, so I would most likely do that. You got Jay laughing then. I thought Jay was still here. Is Jay just watching this going, what type of chaos have you exposed me to, Debbie? Yeah, is that basically what he's thinking? He's just like, what in the chaos is happening here today? Okay, whoop. Let's see, this might actually re-tap into the bob level and then continue back down. Let's see. Oh, it's right by VWAP on ES. Right there on ES. Public speaking's on my thing, my sub counts. Okay, some guy, this is different. I can't see you guys. If you guys were here in real life staring at me, I would probably not be saying a single word. I'll just be like, panic. Just panic. I don't even think I'll do internal screaming. I would just externally just be like, ah. See? I thought about it. I panicked. Here we are. To be fair, it's quite a... Oh, tamed. That is true. That is true. It is very tame today. I think everyone's on their best behavior for Jay today. Jay, welcome. Everyone loves you. Clearly, because they're being really good and really tame and not being unhinged for once. So, yeah, winning. Just saying. Absolutely schwinning at life right now. This doesn't look grand, does it? Okay, took that out. It now tapped into VWAP on ES. Let's see what this now does. Sorry, I was listening to Ollie's video of the bird. I get it. It's non-stop that it's irritating. I sent the watch on your phone. Actually, that's a good point. Do you guys want to hear what Ollie has to listen to? Are you guys ready? I'm gonna play what Ollie has to listen to. Can you hear it? It's non-stop. Nailed it. I hope you guys can hear that. How irritating? I get it, but like, poor birdie. Maybe he's alone, maybe he's scared of heights. And he's screaming because he's stuck in a tree. Imagine if lives were actually people looking at live. No, Lucky, I would freak out. I would freak out. Changing myself. I'm fine. I don't just want noise cancelling headphones. There we go, some guy. That's smart. Yeah, just put your earphones in, listen to music, ignore him. Poor dude is just scared of heights. Yeah, that would have been a loss. This is why. Ooh, sometimes my brain is smart. Yeah. Glad I did not take that. I just had... I do nothing when I'm at the computer. Break even on this long now. Jordy, I thought you were looking for a short. Targeting 508. Ish. Nice. Birds can't let the bird work in peace. I've got noise cancelling headphones, but I'm not gonna wear them all around the house. I must say, Ollie. Anyways, moving on. Sometimes the things you say, you are the reason I would get cancelled. I'm putting it out there. 100%. Nah. Just had to see what happened. Looks like they're feeling the pain, unfortunately. There we go. 34.70. Stefan, is that where you are headed? Wait, what? Are you taking a short there? Of course I know that. That doesn't get at me. Oh gosh, yeah, but like you don't... on the edge. Guys, don't cancel me. This is don't cancel me. Anyways, moving on swiftly. To be fair, I probably would wear noise cancelling headphones all day. Would I? Probably. Sometimes just some peace and quiet is good. Someone be an adult. I'm about to do an irresponsible purchase. OTT, what is the irresponsible purchase? If it's a pink Bugatti, go for it. Don't worry, this is not cancelable. Ah, heck yeah, winning. Do it. It's not response for my sister, it's fine. Ah, what is it? I'm in a short, but riding up with stop loss in profit. Oh, okay, cool. Then you're fine. OTT. Damn, Geordie. And I thought I was being spicy today. My mom said no. Okay, what are you getting for her though? OTT? Also, Mikwava, I see what you did there. That's quite funny. Okay. I think it's, is it Toin? Coin toss, no wait, I just got out of the straight. Give it a second, let's give it a second. This poor paper account is just like, I don't know what's happening. I'm glad that the funded was a winner chicken dinner though. That was cool. We have 4 minutes to go until the new hour. Let's see what we get. it's taken 3 trades in the chop already. Who, me? Brilliant. Not gonna lie, I'm confused. It's those cars kids drive in a whole Barbie dress. Oh, like that little electric thing and a whole Barbie dress. How old is your sister again, OTT? She must be little. So damn, one of those. I'm your big sister. Do you want to buy me something? The man of the hour. Please give a round of applause for the only true trader. Whoop whoop. There we go. Let's do a whoop whoop for OTT. Eddie, did you watch the video? You're his mum's sister. That makes me the cool aunt, and you know what? I'm fine with that. She's 5 or 4, not sure between those two. Wow. Wow. I would judge. But the only reason I know how old my sister is because I know that she's just 2 years older than me, and sometimes I forget how old I am. So, anyways. Another drop soon, in your opinion? Okay, Stefan, let's see. You're thinking another drop is on the way. I'm thinking that this... you know what, I actually don't even know. I don't even know what I'm thinking this is gonna want to do. Very big retracement after taking out Asia low. Question is, are we gonna go back and reject off of VWAP? Or was it doing Asia low, now let's go for Asia high? Type of vibe. That does happen. And in this uncertainty is when we go hands off. Don't trade, just don't do it. You know what? Coin toss, nailed it. Okay, it says sell. I did not mean to sell that for 6 contracts. Let's maybe go a little bit more into profit. That's not in profit. That's the wrong way. Oops. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It's a paper trade, but still. 258. Wow. Let's be those people. I think it's gonna want to take that out anyways, but it's fine. Okie dokie. Let's see what happens. Biddy moving 3 minute structure bullish flip out of on the bottom range. Liquidity to squeeze back. Oh, okay, some guys. So Biddy's finally moving. I'm not gonna lie, my mom not that old. There we go. If you turned 2 yesterday. Oh, that makes sense. Okay, I told her to take me. I am the gift. User TY2UB6QU9D. What's up? You saying sell at 510? Don't lie, that was low-key impressive. Oh, this is not good. This is not good. Why did you do me dirty, coin? Rude. I'll become the... I'm buying it. My sister's been wanting ever since she could talk. Maybe the awesome brother. Wow. Otion would be a blast at the wedding. But you guys vlog it. Low-key tempted because it would be hilarious. It would actually genuinely be the funniest thing ever to happen. Can you please stop saying Biddy? Why? I was probably just gonna retrace back to the middle of the range where it spent the last few days. True. I couldn't miss it for the world. Aw, thanks, Eddie. Oh, do you prefer BT Sizzle? He's my biggest fan. I think I made it in life. Y'all are so cute. I hope you know that. Why did I get a... Interesting. Ironically, my cousin messaged me. Weird. Moving on. Say weird because my cousins never message me. Bow down to the almighty Ashley. I think they're trace. Range. That's 11R. 11R. What? So wait, some guy. Are you in that trade now? You're right, Maya. High key selling. What did I do? What did I do? Oh, damn. Okay. So some guy's in a trade. I'm in a paper trade, I hope. Okay, yeah, it's paper. Can you imagine? I would start crying. Imagine I was actually on my funded and I didn't clock that was on my funded and I took this. Oh my gosh. To be fair, I'm waiting for the day that accidentally happens. Genuinely, I'm waiting for that day. Oh no, I'm still having fun, so it's okay. Because what do you mean? It has the same amount of... It's like 3 minutes in the demand zone at bottom of the range. Okay, cool. Wow. Wow. It's like now I can't say fluffer anymore because that's bad. Which is it's just problematic. Everything is just problematic. Gosh, guys. Y'all ruin everything. Okay, 5:03, so the 5 a.m. candle was quite a nice push. I did say potentially back into VWAP. That would be decent. Let's see, I know a lot of people are still keen on sells. I don't know, this might... Like I said, it just took out Asia low. I might be keen on seeing it go back for Asia high. Is it gonna do that? Potentially not. My microwave means comedy show called Little Burden. Oh.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
LP, what's up? How you doing? Where this one? Yes. This one, which was a coin toss, no. Bad trade. Very, very bad trade. The coin toss said sell. The coin lied. Looking to be on, but yes, this trade here was awesome. Could have left it to Asia low, but I did not want to be greedy. Damn, guys, the coin lied. The coin giveth and the coin taketh away. Gave me that nice trade earlier, and I basically gave it all back just with that one. I accidentally put 6 contracts. Oopsies. Mubby, it's okay. We continue. But how is liquidity makes no difference. Lift again. To what? Oh, to go back. Yeah. Maybe I should have. Oh well. Let's see what we get here. Like I said, it's now in this bob level. I'm quite curious about this trade here. If it takes out this high, if this trade would work. I feel like I'm gonna set it for funsies. I'm not so sure about the stop loss, where the stop loss is placed, but I'm still low-key keen for this. Watch, no ways. Watch this go down now. If this goes down, wait a minute, doesn't this mean that Jordy had a whoop whoop? Pretty good man asking for that. Oh, Debbie, that sounds weird. So it's called Little Burden. I'm gonna have to have a look now. 5.06, awesome source. Let's see what Did this seriously just wick me out and now potentially gonna go back down? You must be lying. Partial whoop whoop, leaving a runner. Ooh, okay, well, it's still a whoop whoop. You're still in the green, Geordie. That counts. Are you just trailing your stop loss then as well, Geordie? Or are you leaving it at break even? What's the plan with that one? It's nearly a 3-yard trade there. Let's see. That sounds weird, but it's funny, but you need to understand to understand the humor. That makes sense. Okay. Do I understand British culture though? Not really. But you can still have fun with it, so I guess that's what matters. That is all that matters, is that we have fun together. Just double checking. Okay then. Okay then. I genuinely thought that maybe I saw something. And I was like, no, my cousin actually messaged me. Very, very weird. Remember League of Gentlemen? To be fair, my gran wanted to try and get me. I don't think it was a comedy though. It was it called All the Animals? No, that's not right. What's it called? All Animals Great and Small? Is that that's something, right? I know my gran wanted me to watch that. It looked cute. Brother Bear, no ways. No freaking ways. Watch this now go down after potential. Well, again, I shouldn't be upset. It was a paper trade, but still rude. Still rude. Still rude. Still gonna be taking offense to that one. All creatures great and small. That's the one. Is it good? Some guy, have you seen it? I'm pretty sure that's the one. Okay. Dun, dun. 9+5. Okay, we're getting there. So slowly. Ooh, but surely. Okay. Remember the name, but I don't remember if I've ever watched it. Okay, that's fair. That is fair. I'm just watching this quick sticks. I can't believe it. Again, on paper, doesn't matter. Don't care. A little bit salty about it, sure. But still doesn't matter. Still don't care. Ooh, I went from basically being break even to down $400. Oops. Don't do coin tosses, people. Bad idea. Just in case you needed some more proof. I am the proof. Don't do it. Watching this though. Slowly getting there. 927. 511. I'll just look on the 5-minute chart right now. Let me just quickly take everything off. Okay, so that's the 50% of the full range. On VWAP. Let's see what that does. I know a lot of people are keen for shorts. I am very well aware of that. A lot of people are keen for shorts. For me, all-time highs means trend is friend until it's not. So we just keep thinking that up is the way to go. took out Asia low, took out that liquidity. Asia low was also relative equal lows, so it was decent sell side liquidity. I mean, new weekly opening gap is right there. It has been taken already, so that's fine. I would be keen on Asia high being taken. That would be my next point of interest. Just for me personally, you know, in my opinion. Don't know if anyone agrees with that one though. Hey, Sage? What's up? What am I trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. What time frame? I'm currently on the 1 minute time frame. Mr. Umi, you're bearish. Awesome. Debs, has Jay taken a trade? Double bottom before high. Oh, is that okay? So that's what you think is going to happen. You think this is going to come back down, or create a double bottom and then go back up? Yeah, let's see. Let's see what this does. I personally think it's going to go back up to Asia high. Now, I could be so wrong. Again, that's just my opinion. I'm not, well, I don't think anyone's ever 100% correct when it comes to that. But yes, I think it's going to actually go take out Asia high and then potentially will go back down. Nope, okay, wrong. Here we go. Down we go. I'm still watching this now. Not as keen on this trade. Bears or gluttons for pain. What's up, J Ray? How you doing? You saying that because we're at all-time highs? To be fair, I took a little short here and it worked out really, really well. It was a really, really good short. Like I said, if I was greedy, I could have left it until Asia lows and it would have worked out, but I didn't, and that's fine. Going to fill last week? No, Mr. Umi? Nah, that is so far down. You think it's gonna go all the way to last week's gap. Hey Shane, what's up? Watch. Okay, I'm watching. I'm not convinced, but I'm watching. I'm always happy to be proven wrong and for you guys to be proven right. No, you're not taking one yet. I'm not doing anything for him. I'm just telling him what to do. This is all on him, but I'm his mentor, so he'll be fine. Okay, wait, so Debbie, is he using one of your indicators, right? I'm assuming. That means I'm also assuming an A+ setup hasn't presented itself, or else he would have taken it. Correct? Yes, no, maybe. Oh, my coffee is very cold now, but that's okay. That's fine. We continue. David J got an advantage and indicators overpower low-key unfair, right? I'm short from 580. Oh damn, that's a flipping good entry. Short from 580. Mr. Umi? Impressive, impressive. And your TP is last week's gap? Hello, no, this is not gold. This is the Nasdaq futures. He's using all of them, yes, and no, he missed A++ setup already because he was too slow. Told him not to chase, wait for the next one. There we go. Hey, Shad, what is my risk per trade and RR? So I use a 1 to 2 R. Recently, my risk has been around nothing more than $50 until I'm out of draw. Well, back to 49, which we're getting there slowly but surely. Then I'll risk around 100. But generally, if I was trading normally, I would risk around $200 per trade. So a winner would be $400 with a 1 to 2 R. Like I said, for those of you that are new, on my funded account, I was $20 away from being taken out. Yeah, I was $20 away to hitting my max drawdown limit. And so I've slowly just been building it back up. Slowly being the keyword. I know it's... Nice. Thank you. I know it's irritating for a lot of people to watch it go oh so slowly. But rather slow and consistently than just blowing it and trying again and to build up the correct psychology is the hardest part of trading. Which is why in between I do mess around and do some paper trades and learn and figure some things out. Yeah. So welcome. So always a 1 to 2 R. Always. Well, when I have more than one contract in, I would potentially leave runners as well, maybe take partials. But in general, it's a 1 to 2 R trade. Nice, respect the grind and the discipline. Thank you. It's irritating. Actually, he did code the indicator, so essentially he knows the theory already, if that makes sense. I was tempted to chase, but it's not a good way to start an eval trip. You show up every day and consistently put in the work. Well, I mean, like I said, this was a really good trade here. I was happy with that, and I waited for that. Trust! I waited for that one. This one? Oh, right. Well, number one, you can see it didn't go back up high enough, but... Did it? Oh, okay, never mind. That one actually would have worked out also. I just didn't like where the stop loss was. The stop loss was a tad bit risque for me. This one was a goodie. I liked where the stop loss was. This one now is still watching and waiting. Let's see if we get a second opportunity here. Would have potentially shot myself in the foot with this one. I wouldn't have liked this wickless trade, to be fair. That would have been the better trade. Would it have? It's okay. There. That would have been the better one. Okay. Okay, I potentially missed this trade here, but not keen on what it's doing, so it's fine. Like I said, unfortunately my brain is kind of going, the longs might want to be coming into play, so for me to take a short would be going against what I'm thinking. Without knowing how to train, it's like cooking a 5-star meal from just writing an essay on how you cook. Like he gifted. A week, same. Definitely not same. I would say that would be so you just start learning some alternative strategies to increase opportunities. I do agree with you on that one. It's also why I've kind of started doing this and slowly figuring some things out. Slowly being the keyword here. But one trade at a time. That's all we can do. One trade at a time, step by step. Good grief. It is a mission. But here we are. Damn. This song is now going to be stuck in my head. Ain't it so? I will not go. Turn the lights off. Carry me. Na 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 na. Good grief. What a stream that we could take a whole day tomorrow, so therefore same. 522. I'm still
That's
wanting.
what she said.
I want to actually see something. Okay, well, we're doing things one step at a time. I know it's really, really frustrating doing things one step at a time, but it's all we can do. Okay then. Like I said, we are at the 2 steps forward, 1 step back situation. Better than nothing, right? Okay. Delete that, watching this now. Oh, there we go. Now that is working out. Interesting. Let's see what it keeps doing. It's gonna keep on going down. Thanks, please don't give me just a geek really seriously. Yeah. Come say hi. No? I know what he wants. He wants a sweetie. Give me a second. I got him sweeties yesterday. Hey, look at that work out really nicely. Interesting. Damn. I was so focused on the buyers. Oh well. See, don't be married to your buyers or what you think's gonna happen. I'm even gonna give him a cute one that says like I love you on it. Okay, bye. You're welcome. Thanks for you. 435. Okay, let's see. Same skill. Okay, he's now done. He's now done. Okay, so that actually would have been a winner if I had done this. Huh? Also would have worked out. Nice. Noted. Okay, now not to chase, because now I'm like, maybe just take the next one going down, but that, no, don't do that. Don't do that, that's bad. That's bad. Also, I'm still on paper. I should move back over to 26. 26, let's keep going. Don't want to call it too early. Something might still pop up. There we go. No way Jay spoke. That's wild. That was insane. Anyways. OTT, did you make the purchase? Did you do it? Are you like the world's best older brother in the world? The world's best older brother in the world. English! Nailing it! Good grief. Okay, still not ideal there. Still checking here. Nope, nope, and nope, and nope. Okay. Done. Done, done, done. So I saw this one doesn't say. I'm trying to figure out what this. I'll give it to you because it looks like it says 4 on it. I don't know what they were trying to say there. But right now it says poo. Pooch? Maybe it's supposed to say pooch. But that butchered. That did not work out very well. Are you a poo? Well, he's into it, so it's fine. No ways. Oh no. Sorry, I feel FOMO kicking in again. So do you know what you do? Because you're on paper, just click that sell button. Stop loss up there. TP make it the bob level. What happens when you get FOMO? Just go for it. They screw it. Sorry, I had like proper FOMO there. So get rid of it by just taking a paper trade. Uh-oh! I feel like the Wi-Fi freaked out. Did the Wi-Fi freak out? My bad. Maybe. Just be sure you're actually on paper. No, I did. Don't worry. Some guy, I did. What's up? Is that BAP sale? Like, anyways, what's up? I did double check that it was on paper. I was like, paper, paper, good. Paper. FOMO in a little bit, because I can do it. Go to there. Let's see, bob to bob. Let's see how this goes. When it taps into VWAP on ES, I'll move it to break even. Let's do it. Sir. Sir. Stop. Thank you. Appreciate you. Good boy. Let's see what we get. Can't even read. He just wanted the dummy noms. Yeah, because he's a sweetie. He's an absolute cutie pie. And now you've gotten like all this. No, no, you're done. You're done. You're done. You don't need more sweeties. He didn't even want to go for a walk this morning. So he just wanted to lie in bed. I'm like, no, 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 no. Can't be a potato the whole day, unfortunately. What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. What's up? How are you doing? The micro is to be specific, so this is MNQ. This is on the paper account though. I had a little bit of FOMO, so I just wanted to mark it in. So I did. Here we are. Yeah. End of story. My name is Mustafa. What's up? How you doing? I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry if I said your name wrong. How you doing? Welcome, welcome, welcome. We've reached 5:32, so it is 5:30, so it is going to that point where it kind of calms down slightly. Let's see what this paper trade does. Again, this one is on paper. So this is not a real trade. Tiny bit grumpy at myself for that. Wait, am I? Yeah, a bit grumpy at myself for this one. Technically an A+ setup, except for the fact that stop loss was below the wickless. It's okay. We continue. Who are we eating? Are we good? Okay, apparently we're good. We're okay. Size on short, 2 contract short. Okay, down. Charles almost full. Expect expansion down. 440 is the. Okay, Mr. Umi and Maltamira, you both are saying shorty shorts are in play. Let's see. Waiting for the expansion down. All keen for it. Let's see how we go. $5.34. Your dog just my doorbell rang then. Debbie, that's kind of cool. Maybe he can hear. He knows what's happening everywhere. You're just so clever. You know everything. Hmm? Who was it? Were you actually just protecting Debbie? You just didn't know it. What's up, Arthur? How you doing? You say it looks like we're plateauing out. I'm in a little paper trade, so whatever happens here, happens here. Aren't we bothered? I heard that noise, Barry. What was that? Still in the green from the little market in, but obviously this is not the drops you want to see when you market in. You want to see it moving with some flipping conviction, but here we are. Conviction? Yeah, that's right. It's like, is that the correct English? Maybe. Maybe not. At this point, possibly not. Whoosh. Is your left? Oh my gosh! I forgot to top up my English bundle because it's not with me anymore. Oh my word! I'm gonna blame it on exhaustion. I'm just gonna blame it on exhaustion, and we're just gonna go with it. 5:35. Okay. Still watching this. I want to start seeing it actually move to the sell side soon. Yes, no, maybe? Come on, drop down. There we go. I heard that, Barry. There was a little bit of hooting. I don't think it was... Yes, that's fine. A whiff. Whiff. Okay, still hasn't tapped VWAP on ES. I said when it taps into VWAP on ES, I'll move it to break even. Has not done that yet, being the keyword. Let's see. Some guy, how's your trade working out, by the way? You didn't say yay or boo, so I'm assuming you're still in it. Are you? Whiff. A whiff. A whiff. Okay. So if he started barking more, I would have gotten up to go and see her. Yeah, he's not. Okay, let me go and check it out. There's a... Stop being stuck. Let me go and see what's happening. Wait, he's stopped now. Are we good? Nope. No. Okay, now we're good. My dog just woke up looking at me. Sorry, J-Ray. I don't know, you're gonna have to ask him what he heard. What did you hear? I don't even think he knows. He's just sitting here wagging at me now. Okay, so some guy, you're still in your trade. Awesome. I'm still in this mamma jamma now. What? Okay, they can call me back. It's 2:30 a.m. Oh my gosh, J-Ray, why are you awake? We're green at about 3 hours, but waiting for the test for TP1. Oh my gosh, but that's amazing! Why always wear a jacket? Because I'm cold. That's about it. Sorry, there's no cool thing. I'm genuinely just cold because I showered this morning, so my hair was wet, and this room is cold, guys. Outside, it's actually really pleasant and sunny, so outside I would not be wearing a jersey. Well, I say that. On my walk this morning, I wore a jersey. It's winter here. I can officially say it's winter. It's June. It do be officially winter here in South Africa. I'll show you guys however many layers I wear when I go up to Joburg, because I can guarantee you it's going to be a lot. Like I said, I'm just constantly cold. That's basically it. What temperature is winter for me? Should we check what the temperature is right now? It's hot outside. I can tell you that. In here, it's cold. Yeah, turn my... Yeah, it's like 24 degrees outside. So it is warm today. Like I said, it's nice and warm and sunny outside, but the room is cold. 17 Celsius here, late spring, early summer. Yeah. Okay, so for me, winter is anything 15 and below. To me, I would call that winter weather. Yeah. I feel like anything in the teens and below is winter weather for South Africa. I don't know if that's just me. Oh, it's so chilly, 24. Okay, but again, I'm a baby and it's cold in here. Outside, it's fine. I would happily be without a jersey outside. But it's cold. Turn your aircon off. I don't have an aircon. It's just, I don't know, yeah. It's just cold, leave me alone, I'm a baby, okay? like I said, I will show you guys however many layers I end up wearing in Joburg, because Joburg is going to be so much colder. So much colder. Like, I'm really, really scared. Last time I was up there, which wasn't even winter yet, there was a day that I wore 4 layers. Yeah, I actually literally wore 4 layers. Last time I was up there and it wasn't even winter yet. Apparently it's just gotten colder, so I'm going to suffer. There needs to snow to qualify for winter. Sounds like... What? No, it doesn't really snow here, so... Yeah. Yeah. Doesn't really snow. Like, some areas of South Africa snow, like on Drakensberg and stuff. But right now, nowhere near snowing. Let's actually Google. Is snow predicted this year? Let's see. Let's see. Oh? Not only is there snow predicted this year, there's predicted in South Africa this week due to an intense cut-off low pressure system hitting the country. It has issued multiple warnings for very cold conditions and disruptive snowfall on high-lying areas. And KwaZulu-Natal. Okay, there we go. Heavy snow is anticipated over... Okay, where it normally hits. Yeah. Okay, no. So I, you know, I'm good. I'm good. I don't think any snow will hit me. Any snow to qualify winter. So we're okay. We're okay here. We're still good. 544 guys. This has now just been messing around. Oh, I FOMO'd in at the wrong time. It is just chilling at my entry. Am I gonna be making snowman? Heck yeah! So when I drive up to Joburg, there is one pass that tends to actually snow. So if it is snowing, you best believe I'll do a vlog of me and Perry playing in the snow, because I've only actually ever really been in proper snow. I'm gonna say proper snow once before in my life, and I was very young. So I've never really been in proper snow before. Only ever once before in my life. I've seen snow, you know, like there were some snowflakes that fell once or twice down in Joburg, but I've never been like in proper snow except for one time in my life. But like I said, I must have been like 8 years old. So that was 20 years ago. Oh, I'm so old. Anyways, you get the point. Oh, we don't really get much snow here on the south coast. When I lived in Ireland, we had snow every year. See, that... I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like snow is really, really cold, and I don't know if I would cope. I mean, I don't even cope with, like, slightly cold winds. How the heck will I cope with snow? Where the dang bears at? I need a real entry to get long. I want to sell the low. Jared, here we go. You did ask. They said, wait for coming. I had a 50-minute commute each way for work when the weather was good, when it snowed. That is too far, some guy. What? Why did you live so far away from work? That is so far. That is so far to drive every single day. My man, petrol. Wait, did you drive? Maybe that's the next question. Was it a drive? I'm assuming you drove. In which case, that's a lot of petrol. Wow, I don't know if I would be able to cope with that every single day. 30 minutes is fine. I can cope with 30 minutes. 45 at a push, but 50 to an hour and a half, 2 hours. No thanks. No thanks. And I know some people do that every day. I don't know if I'm respecting you or judging you. Probably a little bit of both. Because that's a lot. It's a lot of time in a car. Okay. I was quite young and I was getting paid really well. So fuel was cheap. Okay, then never mind. Never mind. Then I guess it's fine. Then I guess it's okay. Then it's okay. And I love driving. I had a BMW. Hydrates fulls every winter. Then I guess it's fine. See, I think that's the thing. I'm like, I don't mind driving. I'm not gonna say I love driving. I drive because it's convenient and it gets me to A to B, but I'm not one of those that can sit there and be like, oh, I can do this forever. I'd much rather be out of the car doing things than sitting trapped inside a car. Here we go. Still has not tapped VWAP yet on ES. I'm still waiting for that. Still waiting for that. Woof. Awesome being me, I always have camping and survival gear in the boot of the car. If I ever got too tired or anything, I could set up camp. Not that I remember ever needing to. See, that's fair. And like I said, I know some people, like the guy that helped me box the horses up to Joburg. I think he used to be like a proper truck driver. They used to drive for like 14 plus hours. No, I think that 14 plus hours was like a chill day. You know, driving those ridiculous, there we go. Sorry, tapped into VWAP on ES. I'm gonna go down to there. Driving crazy hours all the time meant nothing. That was just a day. This pivot point looks nice. What do you think, Maya? I'm guessing up in 5. Nah, I'm not so sure about that. I think this might still go down now. So much for my initial thought. I really thought that it would go back up to Asia high. Maybe not. Either way, this is at break even now. Still only a paper trade, and this was a bit of a FOMO trade. Let's see what it also does when it takes out this low at 444. At least those are not. Okay, cool. Let's do this. Something says. Oh, it's okay, some guy. 551. Okay, I'm gonna follow it slightly. Maybe I'm being a bit cheeky. Wait, let me cheat this. Oh, I am being a bit cheeky. I did follow it slightly further down. Oh, maybe not. So looking at that, retested slightly, going a little bit further. Ah. Done and done. And done. Good boy. That's a good boy. $552. Okay, it is at break even. Oh, man, I want to see what it does here. Humans frustrate me, guys. Humans frustrate me. This is a tester, the doji. You think this is a tester? Why? Born to do it. How much time do you actually waste trading per day? You say waste, I say invest. Just saying. And the answer is only like 5 hours. That gives you plenty of time to do a lot of other things per day. Investing your time into learning something that can help you when you are older and in the long run is never a waste. I set a personal best week last week in paper trading. Hey! That is amazing. Well done, Baldwin. That is awesome. Structure flip back bearish, closed whole thing out at 2.5 hour. But still a whoop whoop, some guy. What the heck, man? This is why risk management is so key. Despite taking 2 times 1 hour losses this morning, this one win equals green day for the day. Yeah. Literally, well done. Some guy, that is actually the most important thing. Risk management is key. I do agree with you on that one. It's why I'm trying to be... How do I put this? I don't know if I'm shooting myself in the foot by doing this or not. I'm trying to be quicker at moving to break even, but not... How do I put this? Not too quick that... Ah, look at that. Retest and down. Just was not... Was it an A+? Not really. Not really. Not too quick that if it had to retest entry, it would take me out of break even before going in the preferred direction. Like, wait for solid confirmation that we're good. Move to break even, because if it's then going to go back up, it's going to go and take you out. But yes. Yes. Just said yes. Yes. Risk management is key. 554. Like I said, I still just low-key following this. See if this takes me out of break even. What's up, Overdose Indeed? How are you? Learning exercise trading is minutes in execution, especially if you have price alerting to bring you to screen. I'm assuming a fixed mindset, so... Learning is a book exercise. What do you mean by that? Trading is minutes in execution, okay, especially if you have price alerting to bring you to screen. Well, no, I watch, and like I said, now I'm learning some different entries slowly but surely. So again, as you keep trading, you keep learning new things. I then wait for my A+ setup. Doesn't mean you can't find other setups that maybe help you as it goes. Like I said, here was a winning trade. Earlier was actually another... was it A+? It was closer to a B setup, if we're being honest. So I guess it wasn't A+. But I didn't miss out on that. Here I got FOMO, so paper trade, go on then. Here... is one. Actually not an A+ setup. It looks like it's actually slowly working out, but not A+. So I'm moving it there because if I had taken that, I would have moved to break even, which would have been there. So follow that break even path. Why not? How's your travel experience? Did you find anything interesting or... Overdose Indeed? What do you mean by travel experience? Which one? You have no real idea of qualifying scoring set. No, I do. Trust. I know what's my A+ setup, which is why I sit and wait, or else I would take every single setup that presented itself. And maybe that would... I don't know if that would do me better or not, but... Why do you think I didn't take this setup? This would have worked. I didn't take it though, because to me it was not an A+ setup. So I have my own variations of what's A plus and what's not A plus. Ah, there we go. Now it's gonna go out. So I wait for my A plus setups, what I deem A plus and what I have considered A plus from what I have experienced in my rules. Have I done any traveling? Me, I have actually done traveling. Okay, so out at break even there. Again, this is just paper, so makes no difference in my life. I just FOMO'd, so I've hopped on in. I actually have traveled. I have gone to Amsterdam, Portugal. These were when I was young, by the way. But Amsterdam, Portugal, kind of France-ish. I think there was a layover in France, so only there for a few hours. But yeah, the main two were Amsterdam and Portugal. And in 2017, so nearly 10 years ago, I did go to Italy. So that one I remember. That was awesome. That was such an awesome trip. But it was nearly 10 years ago. You went to a wedding, I thought that... Oh, something for the cat. No, not really. Yeah, overdose indeed. No, not really anything noteworthy. Let's put it that way. It was very... meh. Yeah. I mean, beautiful place, but nothing that I'd be like, yeah, you must go and visit. If that answers that question. Okay, now that that is out at break even, I'm gonna actually call it there. I'ma call it there. Had a winner chicken dinner earlier, yes, on the funded, so we are up, which is awesome. Waited for my A plus setup. And now I see it's messing around a little bit. Let's see, I know a lot of people wanted to go back down. I thought potentially it might want to go back up to Asia High. Let's see. I will be back for the New York session though, which is the only thing that matters. Wait, you are 250 from blowing your funded. How did you bring it back? Ooh! Still slowly bringing it back. Sorry, I just read what Andre said there. You are 250 from blowing. I just de-risked a lot. So this is why it's been such a flipping, slow, agonizing process to get back here. But I de-risked a lot. Like, I've only been trading MNQ with basically one contract. It was once or twice I traded two. But basically just with one contract, slowly building it back up. So then I will start risking more when I'm back up to 28, no, 29, 49, sorry. So I'm less than 100 from getting back there, which is awesome. So if I have one more good trade, hopefully during New York, I can then start risking $100 per trade. And then I said when I'm back to 50, so back to original, I'll start risking my normal amount of $200 per trade. That's the plan. Guys, if this thing gets a payout, I think we have to throw a party or something. How much did I need to buy one contract? I'm thinking about this. Yeah, exactly. Okay, but then I'm gonna call it there. You guys are awesome sauce. Mad love. Sorry, I'm being sassy because the reason I got up very quickly was long story. Okay, I love you guys madly. Okay, bye. I'll see you for New York.